This summer just became a whole lot lovelier because the one and only Byeon Uzok is coming to Manila. Prepare to be swept off your feet as he steals our hearts on June 22, 2024 for his 2024 Byeon Uzok Asia Fan Meeting Tour Summer Letter in Manila at the New Frontier Theater. Kailan po makakabili ng tickets? June 2, 12 p.m. at Ticketnet outlets and Ticketnet online. Magkano naman po ang ticket? So let's start with pinakamura sa second floor, balcony, 3,710 pesos. Next is lodge, second floor pa rin po ito, 7,420. Followed by orchestra C, 4,770 pesos. Ground floor na ito guys, pero bakit mas mura kesa sa lodge na nasa second floor? So here's why guys. Ito si lodge and kung mapapansin nyo, naka-move forward siya na halos makatapat niya na nga yung Orchestra A dito sa baba. Si Orchestra C guys is ayan, nasa pinakadulo. Yes, nasa ground floor ka nga. Pero si Lodge is mas malapit at mas full yung view ng stage. Higher view nga lang kasi nasa taas ka. Unlike sa orchestra na halos ka-level mo yung view ng stage. But mas marami nga lang tao sa harapan mo. Next is Orchestra B, 5,830. Followed by Orchestra A, 6,890. So si Lodge guys is mas mahal kesa kay Orchestra C, B, and A na nasa ground floor. But if I were to choose between Lodge and Orchestra A guys, I'd go for Orchestra A. Bakit? Kasi mas mura siya, nasa ground floor ka na. And baka bumaba pa ng stage, Sonje. Charot lang. Followed by VIP, worth 9,010 pesos. Lastly, Royalty, 12,720 pesos. Then, ayan yung stage. Take note guys that all tickets are seated and lahat po is inclusive of ticketing charges na. So kung meron nang pong dadagdag dyan is yung pag bumili na lang kayo online, ticketing online fee na 100 or 150 to 200 pesos, ganon. And guys, ito yung pinaka best part, fan benefits. Ganito yung pinaka maganda sa lahat, yung bukod sa lahat ay makakakuha ng souvenir card. Imagine guys, lahat ay makaka-hi bye si Byeon Uzok. So, bago kayo lumabas ng New Frontier Theater, dadaan kayo sa harap niya and Sonjayan yang bye pa! Ganon! Diba makikita mo siya ng malapitan? Ito talaga yun guys, di ba? Hindi ka pa ba bibili kung may ganyan? Then, may signed poster pa na through raffle except for balcony and orchestra C. Bakit naman? Hindi pa tinamay. And signed Polaroid for royalty and VIP ticket holders. And ito pa isa, group photo for all royalty ticket holders. Para sa lahat po yan, automatic po yan. Pag royalty yung binili mo, may group photo ka na, may hi-bye ka pa, may chance ka pang manalo ng signed Polaroid and signed poster niya. Ay, so ayun guys, again, kailan po ang fan meeting niya? June 22, Saturday 6 p.m. at New Frontier Theater. Ang ticket selling naman po is June 2, 12 p.m. via Ticketnet. So yeah, fighting guys, comment nyo kung ano yung tickets na bibilhin nyo or kung meron pa kayong ibang katanungan dyan na kaya nating sagutin. So makikita ba natin si Sonjia this year? O, pag nakabili kayo ng ticket, ingatan yung ticket nyo. Baka mawala kagaya kay Imsol, hindi kayo makapasok.